Hello guys, it's Asma and today how to draw a cute girl picture step by step with me. So let's start with the round circle, zigzag circle, eyes, second eyes, lashes,
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
nose,
Skip to my loo, loo, loo.
mouth,
Loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo,
frog,
my darling. Loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2.
feet,
Texas 2x2.
hands, hand,
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
hair,
The wheels on the bus.
here,
The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
flower on the frog,
The wheels on the bus.
flower,
Yeah!
coloring time. It's red color, red, red frog, orange, golden hairs, orange. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Yellow, yellow flower.
Camp along with Captain
Wow, we done it. I hope you like my video. Bye bye.